Did you know that Christopher Columbus didn't actually prove that the Earth was round? Okay, so it turns out that most educated people already knew that the Earth was round. They knew this because they could observe ships sailing over the horizon. They could see that the Earth was curved. They also knew that the Earth was round because Greek and Roman scholars had already accurately described its shape. They even knew approximately what the Earth's circumference was. So what did Columbus do to prove that the Earth was round? He sailed west from Europe across the Atlantic Ocean until he reached the Americas. But he didn't really prove that the Earth was round, because most educated people already knew that it was. What he did was accidentally find a new continent. Okay, so let me explain. When Columbus set out to sea, he thought he was going to be able to sail west from Europe all the way to Asia, but he underestimated the size of the Earth. So, he never made it to Asia. Instead, he ended up in the Americas. Had he known that the Earth was bigger than he thought it was, he would have realized that he was going to be able to sail all the way to Asia in a relatively short amount of time, and then perhaps he would have turned around and headed back to Europe, or maybe he would have continued sailing until he actually reached Asia. Either way, he wouldn't have accidentally stumbled upon the Americas like he did. Okay, so why is it important to know this? It's important to know this because for a long time after Columbus's voyage, Europeans still didn't know that he had actually discovered a new continent. They thought that he had actually circumnavigated the globe and proven that the Earth was round. This was unactually proven until later when people started circumnavigating the globe and realizing that the Earth was even bigger than they thought it was. Okay, thanks.